So this is my trade roadmap for July 13 to July 17. Not gonna lie, this next week will be unique and very interesting to see. For Monday, as you can see, we have no red folder news. I don't trade Monday anyway, but even if I have, or even if I trade Monday, still I would not participate on Monday just because it's their CPI on Tuesday, and usually days before like huge red folder events like CPI, usually pangit yung galaw ng price action dyan or tend to be very slow. So for Tuesday, we have CPI, which is I think okay lang naman. It's okay to trade CPI news days, but that's why I said na interesting yung week na to kasi on CPI day, there's a Fed Chairman Warsh testify or testimony. So the key is to not be in a position during the speech or during the whole event because there's going to be a lot of unwanted or unexpected volatility, and it's just really tough to trade through that. Normally I would trade the CPI day, but since we have the testimony at 10 a.m., I think I'm going to trade in between 8:30 up until 10 a.m. So I think I'm going to get involved more in the pre-market. Just I don't usually get involved in pre-market. My normal session is around 9 o'clock to 11. Pero since yun nga, 10 a.m. onwards, I think it's not very wise to participate. Kasi usually these speeches or these testimonies, usually 1 hour, I think, minimum 1 hour. So it's just not a good idea to stay and trade within that time. So the game plan is I'm gonna wait for the CPI news to come out at 8:30, and then I'll hunt plays. If I don't get a trade before 10 a.m., then I'm just gonna skip on the day and just move on. Same game plan for Wednesday. For Tuesday and Wednesday, I'll do the same thing. Normally, I'd skip over days that has testimony or speeches, but since it's CPI and PPI, I think it's okay. I think it's worth it to try to find a setup within those days. And for Thursday and Friday, as you can see, there's no red folder news or anything. So that's just gonna be a normal trading day. So yeah.